wonderful time of year. The weather heats up, the foals are all getting bigger and running around, and everybody's got that kind of team spirit of pulling together at Christmas time and getting the job done. And yeah, it's just a lovely time of year anyway.
It's a great place to be. It's a beautiful property. Friends, family. Look forward to it. I'm looking for a great time. Yeah, it's just a great place to be.
Mares and foals, they grow up, and you're coming into the new year, so you start weaning the foals. You start seeing grow into the racehorses that they're eventually going to become, and yeah. And we all just come together as a big family.
And just a good family time, and hopefully the girls are home, and we can get everyone together and have a break and just enjoy each other's company.
I love working on the property and look forward to being able to have family and friends in their time off coming and visiting and seeing our lifestyle and working with the horses.
Christmas time is always a busy time on the farm. You've got your yearling preps and still lots of mares and foals and things to do, but everyone gets in the spirit, and particularly with a small team like this, so that everyone tends to pitch in together and get the work done as quickly as we can and get as much time for a cool, refreshing drink in the afternoons as we can.